welcome to my channel. I'm Ananya. If you're new here, please subscribe. So welcome to the Diwali vlog. Still not sure, but anyway, welcome to the vlog. It is the 1st of November today and the Diwali festivities have begun. Today I'm going to my friend's place for a Diwali party. I feel so fancy saying that. But yeah, it's a Diwali party and I thought it's the perfect time to start the vlog. I'm gonna quickly get ready and leave to go to her house. So this is my outfit. This really pretty kurti and plazo pants and these earrings. And baki sab I will figure out after wearing the outfit. Let's do a transition because it's been a while. And yeah, I'm all ready. So this is my fit. And I did like this whole silver eyeliner situation. I don't know, I was just feeling it today. So yeah, I'm all ready to go. But before I leave, among all these festivities, I hope you remember that your board exams are going to be conducted very soon and you guys have to continue studying after a few days of festivity and fun. Your term 1 exams are in December and as you know, they're going to be MCQ exams and a lot of mock test series are not available for you. But you guys don't need to worry because I want to let you know about Unacademy's All India mock test for classes 10 and 12. You can enroll in this mock test series for free and it is starting from the 6th of November and happens on every Saturday, Sunday, Monday and Tuesday. It is for both classes 10 and 12 from 5 p.m. onwards. This mock test is available for both science, that is physics, chemistry, bio and maths, and it's also available for the commerce students, that is economics, business studies and accounts. And the best part about this mock test is that it is made according to the CBSE's latest pattern. You will also be getting an All India rank and a scorecard according to your performance. And with the detailed performance report that is given along with this, you will be able to identify your strengths and weaknesses. And another great news for you guys is that Unacademy has their Diwali special offer in which the top 3 winners in any subject will be getting the plus subscription till the 31st of December, and the toppers from each subject will get a 1-to-1 mentorship with the top educators. So according to me, तुम्हें इस दिवाली ऑफर का मौका उठाना चाहिए. You will not get a better opportunity to practice for your term 1 board exams. So the link is in the description. Definitely check it out. To enroll for free, simply use my code Ananya21. In fact, you can use my code Ananya21 to get additional 10% off on any of Unacademy's subscriptions. So definitely get your hands on them. And it's time to go. Next day and yesterday's party was so much fun. We had a great time and today also there's a lot of stuff to do. So firstly I have to go to my neighbor's house. There's like a birthday party and then I have to film a video and also go for a Diwali dinner. So there's a lot going on today. So yeah, I'm just getting ready, doing the basic stuff. So I'm ready for tonight's dinner. This is my fit. Wearing these pants from Marks and Spencer. This is from H&M. This is from somewhere in Malaysia. And my accessories. Hi guys, it is the 3rd of November, so happy Choti Diwali everyone. And right now we're just going for Diwali shopping as usual. Just going to get the basic stuff, although we bought most of it. So jo bhi end ka kaam bacha hai, we're going to do that today itself, get the flowers, etc. So yeah, that's my little OOTD. Obviously it's Diwali, festive time, so dress up hone mein maza aata hai. If you've seen my Banjara Market haul, I've added the new rugs in my room. Home and we bought the goods. So mainly we had to get a lot of flowers. So this time all of our neighbors have decided कि we'll make one rangoli in the center instead of सब अपने घर के आगे अलग-अलग बनाए. We'll make one common for the entire floor. So that's the reason there are a lot of flowers over here. But ये कल का काम है, कुछ कल सुबह सब लोग रंगोली बनाएंगे. And we've also got the मिठाईस to give to all the helpers etc. So yeah, आज का main काम यही था. And कल दिवाली है. I'm really excited for that. I feel like दिवाली की अपनी अलग ही vibe और एक मतलब दिवाली की कुछ और ही बात होती है, especially in Delhi. Like when I was in Mumbai also, I don't think दिवाली का उतना craze है वहाँ पे जितना दिल्ली में है. Like you know, सब घरों में lights होती है. The market is full of festivity and you know, it's a different experience altogether. And I'm sure people from Delhi relate to this. सब घरों में ऐसे मस्त lighting हो गई है and it's all so pretty and aesthetic to look at. Full on Diwali vibes. In fact, I don't know if you could hear it before, but किसी की अभी दिवाली पार्टी चल रही है आसपास की सोसाइटी में, proper DJ वगैरह है and मस्त गाने बज रहे हैं, so it's really a good vibe. हमने भी full lighting कर दी है अपनी balcony में. And as you can see, like मस्त lighting हो रही है बाहर. It's so cool. We set up our entrance as well. यहाँ भी lights हैं. My mom did this really cool matka setup and we're probably going to put fairy lights here. तो और भी मस्त लगेगा. And here's my dinner. So while having dinner, I was watching Hum Do Hamare Do on Hotstar, but couldn't complete the movie because we went down to fly these sky lanterns or mini hot air balloons. And yeah, I'm gonna end the vlog here and start a new vlog for the main Diwali. So stay tuned for that. And if you've made it till here, comment these emojis. And since you guys are watching this video on Diwali, so happy Diwali to each one of you. I hope you have a fun and safe Diwali. Thank you so much for watching this vlog. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, then don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel. Share this video with your friends. Follow me on Instagram and until next time, bye.